Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about psychodynamics of allergic reactions. So, what happens in psych of the person who has a tendency to develop allergic reactions? So, allergy is a kind of response of a body where there is overreaction to certain specific substances which are normally not reactive, or which those substances which normally does not tend to develop any side effects or reactions to greater number of people. But there are certain specific group of people, those who are reactive towards those specific substances. And so this is in form of defense reactions of a body, where a body tends to develop antibodies and immune system that comes in action in this allergic reactions, where antibodies are developed by a body to fight against these antigens, or to fight against these substances which body considers as threat or which body considers hostile. So these antibodies protect a body against those hostile substances. But when it is out of proportion, then it leads to something which we normally recognize as reactions, or which we normally recognize as allergies. So a person can be allergic to dust, pollens, fragrances, or fur of pet animals like cat or dogs, or hairs, or certain food substances like peanuts, tomatoes, brinjals, anything. So a person can be allergic to any of these substances. So allergies are usually suggestive of aggression and strong resistance towards specific emotions. Those are repressed in psych. So what is this repression? So those emotions or those aspects or areas of life which a person is not consciously aware about it, but he is living with it, or sometimes it is repressed to such an extent that he is not living it out at all. So these are those emotions, those memories which are residing in psyche, which which a person is not able to live it out consciously. And so these repressed emotions are precipitated out of the psyche, and it represents, or it gets ventilated out in the form of bodily reactions, which is known as allergic reactions. So, allergies are very closely related to aggressions and strong resistance. So, now we need to understand that as antibodies gives a fight to antigens or certain substances, those have a threat to a body. So, a body fights against it. So, fighting spirit is a symbolic aspect of aggression, and we need to understand that this aggression has a lot to do with fear, because we tend to be afraid of something which we have fear of. So we tend to fight against something from which we have fear. So aggression and hostility are responsible for allergic reactions, and this aggression has a lot to do with fear also. So all those who are having allergic problems and allergic reactions need to identify that which aspect of emotion in their life that they are avoiding, or they are devaluing it, where they are unable to tolerate this aggression. And then they have to identify these aspects, and they need to make friendship with those factors, with those emotions, with those experiences, with those memories that have been repressed. So this is all about psychodynamics of allergies, and with further details, we will meet uh, ahead with more such videos. And thank you.